One of the issues we did have though was because we were putting these doors into the hallway, is that we needed fire doors. Again, looking at different competitors, one of the things that really ticked the box for Crittall was they had a very good fire rating certificate that I sent it off to the building inspectors, and they were happy with that. And then it was a visit to the showroom. We went to Glazing at Biggin Hill, and they showed us the product in situ as well. We were able to look at choosing handles. Obviously they came in and measured up. And I guess, we're really pleased with them. When you're opening and closing the doors, they have a real weight to them as well. I guess the soundproofing really works. They look great. They match in with some of the furniture that we've had made. We've made sure that was done into a powder coated black coating to match in with the doors as well. But the main thing was in that hallway, which really was pretty dark and dingy initially when we first entered the property, it has really opened it up and it lets the light flood into it. So, and that was really what we were going for.